Yeah, Shubhoday. आज सुबह 4:30 a.m. early morning we received one dial call from there is a in Burjgada junction one fire accident. That is one of the SK Traders old furniture and Jaya Jinning old Jinning bags. Immediately my constable and my forces immediately reached this spot and intimated to the fire station. After that, within the 10 to 20 minutes, they reached the spot and the firefighting also started. There is no any other remaining damage in beside of the plywood shop and other side also 2-3 godams, Jinning godams also is there. There is any other bodily injuries or any other injuries. In spontaneously the fire spot also they coming and this firefighting also nearly now also running. There is a nearly approximately damage of the value of the only nearly 10 lakhs. 3 lakhs approximately in the furniture shop and old Jinning shop nearly 6 lakhs rupees. They will give a complaint also. We will doing the investigation. After we will finalize what is the reason to do that fire.